My name is Paula Rogers, and I live at Ashmont Circle in the Kings Point area in a condo. And I had A to Z come and did me my impact windows and doors. That's an awesome company. Great workers, efficient, and they know what they're doing. It took just a couple of days, about 2 to 3 days, to complete everything. When my time come to pass inspection, it passed with flying colors. So they do awesome work, great work. The windows are great. It also keep the heat out of my condo, so I'm not hot anymore. Actually, I had to turn the AC up because it's so cool now. I love it. I love it. And I get a lot of compliments from my neighbors. And I'm very, very, very happy.